Did you know there are more than 75 different careers in the natural gas and oil industry?
No way!
Absolutely. And if you're someone who likes to work with your hands and operate complex equipment, then you should consider a career as a technician.
That's perfect for me. What does a technician do?
Technicians, simply put, are the people who make things work. All industries need technicians to assemble, operate, maintain, monitor, and update machines or equipment used every day, all around the world.
This sounds like important work.
Very important work. The natural gas and oil industry depends on technicians in many areas. For example, geoscience technicians help analyze rock formations to determine where to drill a well. Engineering technicians assist in developing natural gas and oil reservoirs, and construction technicians prepare the surface for development.
That's a lot of technicians.
But wait, there's more. Drilling technicians help to drill the wells, then automation, instrumental, and electronic technicians assist in operating specialized equipment. And finally, maintenance or mechanical technicians are there to repair or maintain any of the equipment or machines used by the industry.
Wow, there are a lot of opportunities out there. Tell me, what makes a good technician?
Technicians enjoy diagnosing and solving problems. They need strong math and reading skills and must be able to communicate with others. In other words, technicians are the ones who get to figure it out.
I'd like to do that.
Then you might be a great technician. And get this, technicians can often earn their way into the natural gas and oil industry with a high school diploma, some basic training, or an associate degree. There are many technician positions available that can get someone into the exciting and well-paying natural gas and oil industry.
That could be a great career path for me.
If you want to learn more about beginning a career as a technician, talk to your school or career counselor or visit the Career and Workforce section on our website for more information.